This is Scott Melgan here with SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our 2025 Four Winns. It's an HD5. It's got a great boat, hybrid deck style boat. You can see the big, huge bow area. Great for getting into rough water. It does come standard with the swing tongue trailer. Trim tabs, Bravo 3 on it. Nice deep ladder. We'll go ahead and jump up in here and go through the boat. Engine compartment here, nice big 6.2 in it, 300 horsepower. Plenty of power to get you around. Nice walkthrough to get on the boat here. Nice L group seating. Seat that flips back and forth. Bolster seats for both driver and passenger. Rated for 13 people. DTS throttle. Nice beautiful dash. It does have a head. Nice and roomy there. And a nice big squared off bow. It's got a full cover for it. Plenty of room up here in the bow area. Also has a ladder up front. The anchor storage. It's got a wash down sprayer both on the bow and the stern. Got a pump out for your head. It's just a porta potty with a pump out. Two big storage compartments in the floor. Self-draining cockpit here. Like I said, nice walkthrough. Lots of storage throughout. It does come standard with this standard bimini top. Nice recessed cup holders throughout. It does come with a table. There's a mount for it there and up there. Nice kicker stereo. It is Bluetooth. Nice built-in glove box as well here. There are filler cushions in this boat as well. I just don't have them installed, but they are up here. You can make this a big bow area. Nice wind gate for the cooler mornings or evenings when you're out. So there they have it. If you have any interest in this boat or any other boat that we have on our website, please give us a call. We are happy to assist.